Welcome back to Precious Metals with Leif. I am, as always, working tirelessly to support your crippling gold addiction. You know, they say that if you stare long enough into my channel will stare into you. Does that not warrant a like and or a subscribe? Today I have a very nice little 10-gram gold bar from the legendary Argor Heraeus. The company was founded in the 50s as Argor alone in the beautiful town of Chiasso in Switzerland. Anyway, they were later acquired by UBS and even later by the German titan of the materials industry, Heraeus, forming Argor Heraeus. Here, compared to the classic Valcambi orange packaging, the Heraeus is obviously, I want to say bigger, but they're the same size. It is flatter and wider, giving a bigger impression. Let's give it a go with my trusty Microtech. Hopefully this will be easier to open than the Valcambi, which was quite a pain. We're gonna go for a long cut right away here. Hopefully it will leave its packaging without too much of a fight. The plastic is a lot thinner than on the Valcambi. It was thick as well as ductile. This seems to be half the thickness or something like that. Yep, I think this will be successful right away. Beautiful. The bar has an immaculate front side. I love this logo. Somebody said it looks a little bit like the Narcotics Anonymous logo. That was not my first conclusion, but we have different backgrounds. The sides do have some burring to them from the manufacturing. The backside is actually not looking very good. I'm guessing that's from just the handling in the factory. But the front, you can really see they have put a lot of effort into making this completely flawless. Just look at the perceived, I will add, size difference. Yeah, it is significantly thinner than the Valcambi. I'd say in my hands it feels a little bit bigger with this. They're obviously good at tricking your emotions. It feels like a slightly bigger bar. I think, however, that Valcambi did a better job finishing just the sides and the backside. I'm a little bit disappointed by those offsides, but the front is really great. I love the logo, beautiful text, looks very professional. Fine gold. Let's see if we can get some nice reflections, a little bit of light play. You can obviously see my gloves reflecting perfectly. You can even see my crappy phone camera setup. Sometimes when you hold gold in your hand, like a gold watch or a gold medallion or something, you can get the impression that it's almost surreal. The density kind of tricks your senses. It feels like something this small shouldn't be this heavy. But the 10-gram bar doesn't really evoke that feeling. I hate to say it, but 10 grams is too little. It just doesn't give that feeling of, wow, this has some heft to it despite being so small. This kind of feels like what it looks like. I'm guessing if you had a piece of steel of the same size, then maybe you could feel the difference more. but I think the 1 ounce size, it became a standard for a reason. I think somewhere around there, around 1 ounce, it's a weight that's just feeling nice in your hands. At least the surface finishing does pass the zoom test. The front does look as great. Zoomed in, zoomed out. I think there might not be that much more to talk about this bar. I hope everyone enjoyed that I messed up my packaging for this. I probably would have anyway, I just want to touch my gold. I know some of you don't like it, but enjoy not having a soul. Well, I think that's it for me. Remember to leave a like and subscribe, and have a nice one. The Leif is out.